this is the Insta360 X3, and in this video we're going to be checking out how it performs in low light. So to put the X3's low light ability to the test, Georgie and I headed out into London to check out the Christmas lights. Now, all in all, I was really surprised, and I have to say I was super impressed by the X3's low light abilities. There was just a couple of times when it struggled. Right at the end of the night, we were walking across Waterloo Bridge. Now, if you know London at all, walking across Waterloo Bridge at night is really, really dark, especially in winter. And what makes it even harder for a camera with a smaller sensor is that there's a lot going on in the background. The whole city's all lit up around you. So if you look at this clip here, as the camera moves down towards the bottom of the screen, we get this like jelly kind of effect. And then as the bus goes past us here, keep an eye on the background and you'll see that it's struggling there. My guess is this is the stabilisation struggling to keep up because of the really low light and the very bright lights in the background. And for a camera with half-inch sensors, this to me is totally acceptable, particularly given the performance on the rest of the footage. So overall, I'm really, really impressed with the X3's low light performance. To think that this footage is just straight from the camera and we've not done any stabilisation in post at all, this is really, really good in very dark conditions from a camera that's just got half-inch sensors, particularly when you consider we're shooting at 5.7K at 30 frames a second. So on that subject, let's just talk about settings for a second. As mentioned, we're shooting at 5.7K at 30 frames a second. We've got the colour profile set to natural. I haven't done any grading on this footage at all. This is straight out of the camera. We've got the bitrate set to the highest possible. We've got the sharpness on low. And the reason I can shoot at 30 frames a second in London without getting light flicker is because I've got the anti-flicker set to 50 Hz for the PAL region. So what happens then is the AI inside the camera chooses shutter speeds that are compatible with the PAL region, so 50 Hz. So overall, I'm really, really impressed with the low light performance of the X3. What did you think? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you want to grab an X3 for yourself, I've got a link in the description where you can get one direct from Insta360 with super fast delivery. And if you buy using our link, you get the Invisible Selfie Stick free. That's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.